Hey there, Monopoly enthusiasts! Frustrated with Monopoly Go freezing or not working on your device? Fear not. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical steps on how to fix Monopoly Go freezing or not working so you can get back to rolling the dice, owning it all. Step 1. Check for device compatibility and updates. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, ensure your device is compatible with Monopoly Go and is running the latest version of its operating system. Developers frequently release updates to address bugs and enhance game performance, so head over to your device's app store and verify if there's an update available for Monopoly Go. Updating both your app and operating system can resolve common issues and enhance your gaming experience. Clear cache and restart the app. Step 2. Clear cache and restart the app. Are temporary files causing hiccups? Clearing the app's cache can help. On iPhones, head to the Settings menu, then find Monopoly Go under Apps and select Clear Cache. Android users can do this by accessing the storage settings within the app and tapping Clear Cache. Once done, restart the app to see if the freezing issue persists. Clearing the cache often resolves minor glitches, allowing Monopoly Go to function smoothly. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Monopoly Go requires a stable internet connection to function properly. If you're experiencing freezing, ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is strong. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or restart your router to improve connectivity. For mobile data users, consider toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. A stable and robust internet connection is key to a seamless gaming experience. Step 4. Free up device storage. Low device storage can cause apps like Monopoly Go to freeze or crash. Regularly free up space by deleting unnecessary apps, files, and media from your device. Consider using cloud storage solutions to manage and store your files efficiently, ensuring your device has sufficient space to run apps smoothly. A little bit of digital housekeeping can go a long way in resolving performance issues. Step 5. Reinstall Monopoly Go. If all else fails, reinstalling Monopoly Go might just do the trick. Uninstall the app from your device, restart your phone or tablet, and download the latest version of the game from your app store. Reinstallation often clears out any corrupted files that could be causing the freezing issue, giving you a fresh start with the app. There you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to fix Monopoly Go freezing or not working issues, ensuring your gaming sessions are as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Keep your device updated, clear caches, manage storage, and ensure a strong internet connection for the best experience. Remember, a little troubleshooting goes a long way in maintaining your favorite game's performance. Get ready to roll the dice and dominate the board once again. Enjoy your game, and may luck be on your side.